Is Amazon Music not working on Fire Stick? Then you are in the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Power cycle the Fire Stick. When Amazon Music app is not working on Fire Stick device, first power cycle the Fire Stick. Turn off the Fire Stick, unplug your Fire Stick from the power source. Wait for a few minutes, plug it back in and turn it on. Method 2. Check your internet connection. Make sure that the Fire Stick is connected to a stable internet connection. You can check your internet speed using websites like speedtest.net from your mobile or PC. You can also run a speed test from Fire Stick. Open Settings from Fire TV Stick Home. Now select Network. Next, select your preferred Wi-Fi network and press the play or pause button on your remote. Now run a speed test and ensure high-speed internet connectivity. Method 3. Restart the network devices. The next thing you can do is restart your router or modem. Turn off the router, wait for 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This can help resolve any temporary issues with the router. If you are connected to a Wi-Fi network, try switching to a mobile hotspot to see if it improves the connection. Method 4. Clear the app cache. Clearing the app cache can help resolve temporary issues. To do so, navigate to Settings, then select Applications and then select Manage Installed Applications. Next, select the problematic app. Here we are selecting this app as an example. Select Clear Cache, then Clear Data as per your system settings option. This can help remove bugs and glitches associated with the app. This can help resolve temporary glitches. Method 5. Check for software updates. Go to Settings, select My Fire TV. Then select About and check for updates. If available, download and install the updates. Method 6. Disconnect other devices. To resolve potential conflicts with Amazon Music on your Fire Stick, you should disconnect any devices that might be interfering with its performance. If your Echo device is linked to your Fire Stick, try unlinking it. Disconnect any other streaming devices that might be connected to the same network or HDMI port. If you have Bluetooth devices paired with your Fire Stick, try disconnecting them as well. By disconnecting these devices, you can help ensure that Amazon Music runs smoothly without any interruptions. If you continue to experience issues, you might want to check your network settings or restart your Fire Stick. Method 7. Reinstall the app. You can try uninstalling the app, then reinstalling it from the Amazon App Store. You can also go to Settings on your Fire TV device. Select Applications, select Manage Installed Applications. Select the app you want to uninstall and then uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions. Install the app again and see if the error persists this time. Method 8. Reset Fire Stick to factory defaults. If the error persists, consider resetting your Fire Stick. Go to Settings, then My Fire TV, then Reset to Factory Defaults. Confirm the reset when prompted. Note that this will erase all data on the device. Once you have reset the Fire Stick to its factory default, reinstall Amazon Music and then check if it is working as expected. Method 9. Contact Amazon Music support. If you still encounter the error after trying all these steps, visit the Amazon Music support for further assistance or troubleshooting tips. And there you have it, the way to fix the issue when Amazon Music is not working on Fire Stick. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix this issue. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.